someplace else with a lot of carbs. We're gonna show you one right now.
Say hello to Medusa. This black Cobra Mustang is a 1995 Mustang Cobra SVT Convertible. She is number 260 out of only 1,003 produced. She has original paint and is numbers matching original with the exception of the hood and some engine mods. Powered by a 347 stroker engine with a 5-speed transmission. That is the original 5-liter, equipped with a stroker crank, crane cams cam kit, and topped off with a 570 CFM 4-barrel Holley Street Avenger double pumper carburetor. The hood wrap was created by Rapid Grafiks and Signs of Ironwood, Michigan, and installed by Shane Checkan.
Yeah, go right ahead.
the American Dreams Car Show. Please comment below your name and the name of the car or your friend's car when you see it in the video. New Haven United Methodist Church in Dalton, Georgia provided the space for this fun and friendly event to raise money for St. Jude Children's Hospital and other children in need. Dawn Lowry of Mountain Stangs coordinated the event, and we got a chance to speak to her at the end of the video. The top 20 car trophies went to these beautiful cars. Steve Black's 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air, Julio Velasquez's 1970 Chevrolet Malibu, Julio Velasquez 1977 Chrysler Cordova, Julio's 1976 Chevrolet El Camino, and his 1977 Chevrolet El Camino, Adam Foster's 2012 Dodge Challenger, Brandon Hudspeth's 2006 Chrysler 300 SRT 8, Lee Troy's 2016 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Shaker, Sonia Neves' 2016 Ford Mustang EcoBoost Premium, Craig Freeman's 2016 Ford Mustang EcoBoost, Travis Lawson's 2016 Ford Mustang, Ricky and Pat Stone's 1957 Chevy Bel Air, Bobby Moore's 1955 Chevrolet 210, Shane Checkan's 1995 Ford Cobra Mustang SVT Convertible, Lee Buchanan's 2015 Ford Mustang GT, Holger Hendrick's 1950 Ford F1, Troy Massengill's 1949 Chevrolet Pickup, Vicky Black's 1962 Nash Metropolitan, Ronnie Roberts' 1934 Ford, the Club Participation Trophy was awarded to North Georgia Stangs. The Kids' Choice Trophy was awarded to Shane Checkan with his 1992 Mustang GT Convertible Street Strip Car. The Longest Distance Travel Trophy went to Sonia Neves for driving over 200 miles. The Best in Show car was a beautiful 1967 SS Camaro owned by Richard Bruner. Where's Waldo? If you can identify any of these other vehicles, please do in the comments below.
Hi viewers, I'm here with Dawn Lowry today, and I'm going to ask her a few questions about her wonderful car show. As you can see, I am in the midst of some beautiful cars again. Well, Dawn, tell me about your benefit here.
Every year we do car shows, which includes St. Jude's and also giving toys to kids in need for Christmas. This particular car show, there was also a local girl who was beat up by a man, and she was on life support, having learned to walk again. Her family's in need, so we're also taking donations.
Okay. And how many years have we been doing this?
We've actually ran our nonprofit since 2006. We've been in the car scene for about 5 years.
Okay. What was your best year that you earned the most money for your charities?
We really enjoyed our last year with Pigeon Forge in October. We had a good turnout of about 115 cars. We set up Georgia just as a supplement to that one coming up. Also, this October 6th, and it will be in the rear lower parking lot of Quaker Steak and Lube. It'll also be the same setup for this, for St. Jude's and for kids in need at Christmas.
Okay. So that's on my birthday.
Awesome. Happy early birthday.
Yeah. So I guess I know where I'm spending my birthday.
Absolutely. Come on
Yeah.
out and have a good time. The leaves will be changing, be beautiful scenery for car photographs.
Well, can you tell me a little bit about your Mustang?
We actually own 3. 2 are here today. One is a 1995 Cobra SVT Convertible. She's number 260 out of 1,003 produced. She's powered by a stroke 347 with a 5-speed. We've also got the Rebel GT here. He is a 1992 Mustang GT convertible as well. Also, it's set up as a street strip car, nitrous car. It's got a full roll bar, frames all tied, all the nice safety features and things like that. We take it out to Paradise, sometimes out to Brainerd.
Okay, that sounds like fun.
Yeah, and it's actually a tribute car to all the Confederate cemetery. You go to Confederate cemetery, all the unknown soldiers. Families don't know where their bodies are. No one's ever got to pay the proper tribute. That's a tribute car to that. That's where you see the rebel flags and things like that.
That's awesome. And tell us about the last one.
This is actually the first time we've done one here. First one, actually one that we've had in Georgia. Just kind of a lot of the people from Georgia can't make it to the Tennessee show. They were asking for one. We thought we'd give it a try, and this is our first year. So. But I'm sure we will be here next year.
Okay.
As well.
Okay. Well, I thank you for your time today.
No problem at all. Thank you for coming out.
Is there anything else you want to tell the viewers about maybe Pigeon Forge next year?
Yeah, Pigeon Forge is called the Smoky Mountain Automotive Stampede 2018. You can find any information you want to on Facebook. I'm also the leader of a group that puts it on, and it's Mountain Stangs and Fords. We always welcome, it's always open car shows, so every make, model, type, year is welcome. No problem at all. Bring in whatever you have. You want to come help kids and come with us, and you drive a Yugo, pull it right up here and we'll number it and we'll go from there.
It sounds like fun.
Absolutely. So thank you for coming out. We really appreciate it.
Oh,
I hope you have a great time.
We will, I'm sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything exciting. The next vehicle could be your favorite vehicle, or your friend's vehicle, or even your own vehicle. You can find convenient affiliate links in the description of our videos to die-cast cars and other merch. Check out our full-length videos on some of the most famous movie cars and TV show cars in the world. Watching our videos. Many of the events, shows, and people that we feature on our videos support much needed charities.
Bastante de eventos que nosotros Romea soporta caridad.
Please take a child or a friend to one of these events and make sure that they're aware of all the good works that the great people of the car community do.
Por favor, lleva un niño o un amigo a los eventos para que sepa de buenos trabajos que hacen los coordinadores de evento. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.